Hey guys, I'm here today to talk to you about Storyworks. Storyworks is an awesome resource that you may have used in the past, but rather than having a magazine in our hands right now, since we're working from home, we are going to be using the same resource but online. I want to show you how to get to that resource and some cool things you can do from your Chromebook once you get there. So right now you're watching this video to learn how to use Storyworks. Next, you'll watch this video to learn about making inferences. And then you'll need to go to this link. So let's click that link right now. When you get to this link, this is where the story will be that you're going to read. But you can't read it until you log in. If you're in my class, your login is Biz123. If you're in Miss Tierney's, it's Tierney123. And if you're in Miss Weber's, it's Weber123. So that's nice and easy for you to remember. Don't capitalize it either. Make sure it's lowercase. So here's the option where you say, I'm a teacher or I'm a student. You would click on, I am a student. Once you click there, that's when you're going to type your class code. So remember, Biz123 for my class, Tierney123 for her class, and Weber123 for that one. Once you click sign in, it's going to take you right to this page where you're going to read a story called Missing. Now, I already read the first half to you and modeled how to make inferences, but you're going to read the second half. There are some really cool things you can do here. I would encourage you to read some words, like read a couple of sentences on your own using the 5-finger rule. And if you're holding up a lot of fingers, you might want to do this option that's called text to speech. Using this option will actually allow you to have the book read to you.
A lost cat comes with a big reward.
Okay, so hear how he's reading it. You can also change it and click on slow, and it will read it slower to you.
Nora Raleigh Basket. Want to hear this story read aloud by Nora Raleigh Basket? Click here. Lana stood at the front door.
Okay, that's how you would stop and play. Now, for everybody, here's a really cool thing. If you click, well, one other thing first, but let me show you. Words that are underlined or sentences that are underlined will tell you information. That's asking you a question. But a word like unfurling, that's a strange word. When you click on it, it tells you unfurling means opening up. There's one cool feature. Here's another one. Click on the option over here that says read the story. Look at this. Absolutely awesome. It's going to show you the story just how it would look if you were reading it on an actual magazine. See that right there? There's the page number 11. You can zoom in if it's too, and move it around if it's too big. Look at this. Draw allows you to underline or make notes. You can erase that work. You can hit X out of the draw. You can highlight things. If you want to highlight something, like I told you a quote to go look at, you can highlight that quote. If you don't want it highlighted anymore, you just unhighlight it. Click the X. Another thing is adding a note. So maybe I told you to do your graphic organizer and to do your inferences and you don't want to forget it. Click right where you're doing it. Type your note. Here is my note. You can save that note. And then when you go back to do your work, you'll be able to click on it and find it. If you want to delete that note, you can click delete. So many cool things you can do with Storyworks. I'm excited for you to use it today. I'm excited for you to finish the story Missing. Have fun reading today and have a great rest of your day.